Romance is always a common theme in any movie all around the world.
They've got you trapped, Rose. And you're gonna die if you don't break free. Maybe not right away because you're strong, but sooner or later, that fire that I love about you, Rose, that fire is gonna burn out.
Welcome to AIUS. Here we have put down the best 10 Bollywood romance movies of all time.
स्वामीनाथन, मुझे ऐसा और इतना प्यार पहले कभी नहीं हुआ। मैं तुमसे शादी करना चाहता हूँ। Marry me, please.
If some title gets missed out by your opinion, you can also check out our list top 10 Bollywood movies about love from the link in the description. So before you start watching this video, subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this every week. Number 10, Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi. By the title of the video, one can easily say SRK would have to be in this list. This Bollywood fantasy romance drama contains a very unique storyline that can surely make the audience feel for the characters.
मेरे को लव हो गया है।
ओए मुबारका, बधाइयां, पटाखे और पापे किससे?
मेरी वाइफ तानी जी।
The movie tells the story of an ordinary office man, Suri, who has been married to a beautiful girl, Tani, under some circumstances. Even though Suri has fallen in love with Tani at first sight, but Tani doesn't love him. Now, to get Tani's love, Suri decides to change himself from head to toe and make Tani fall in love with him.
थोड़े बोरिंग है, ज्यादा बोलते नहीं, दिखने में सिंपल है, रहने सहने में, काम करने में, सब में बस एक मामूली आम आदमी, पर मुझे उनमें रब दिखता है।
The movie honestly doesn't make any sense, but as a fantasy romance, it works very well with the amazing screenplay and performances from both Anushka Sharma and Shah Rukh Khan. Number 9, Two States. Probably the only movie about long-distance relationships in Bollywood, Two States is based on the life of Chetan Bhagat.
I love you. Zing this new app. मैं तुम्हें नाम मैसेज करता हूँ, डाउनलोड कर दे।
Krish and Ananya met each other in college apart from both of their cities and fall in love. But their relationship goes into conflict due to their cultural differences and different thoughts in their families. So they decide to change their parents' typical mind, but it's never easy.
नहीं, वो नया जीएम आया ऑफिस में, वो हम सबको बोला प्लग पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन।
पावर पॉइंट सब पावर पॉइंट।
हे मुटाल, इडियट, रास्कल।
सॉरी सर।
उनको नहीं बोला, वो इडियट रिक्शा वाले को बोला, स्काउंड्रल।
Either for the amazing performances or for the beautiful script or the great story or the amazing background scores, Two States is one of the most perfect Bollywood romance movies in all the way. A beautiful portrayal of long-distance relationship, Two States is never only about love and relationships but also about a dysfunctional family and social misbelief.
Krish, I love you. Breathe.
भाग चलते हैं यहाँ से।
इस सारी में नहीं भाग पाऊंगी।
Number 8, Lutera.
मॉडर्न आर्ट में तो ऐसे ही बनती है पत्तियां।
Vikramaditya Motwan is a director of his own. Only 3 movies and a series are made by him and all of them are great. This is a story of eternal love between a robber and a young woman. The story is about a guy who goes into the palace of an old Rajput to cheat on him and take out all his property.
जिंदगी जोड़ के रखी है, वो सही नहीं है, वो तुम्हारा तोता नहीं है।
अगर वो पत्ती गिर गई तो
नहीं गिरेगी। ये मेरा वादा है।
But in the middle of his long job, he meets the daughter of the old man and falls in love with her. Now it's become a fight between love and business. Very romantically felt and amazingly performed by both Ranveer Singh and Sonakshi Sinha, Lutera is a lyrical portrayal of a beautiful love story that is quite different from any other Bollywood romance movie.
मास्टरपीस पेंट करना चाहता हूँ जिसे लोग याद रखें।
सच में
किसी को बताना नहीं।
अगर बताया तो।
Number 7, Wake Up Sid. Sid is the name of a careless guy who wants nothing but partying with friends and waste his time in his home. His parents surely are always angry for him, but he doesn't change until he meets a girl at a party. The girl named Aisha finds Sid immature, but still she tries to help him as giving him a place to live when Sid's father drives him away.
जी 10 मिनट में मेरा बर्थडे है और अपनी बर्थडे पे कभी अकेली नहीं रही हूँ।
अरे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? हम बाहर जाते, पार्टी शार्टी करते।
क्यों, ये भी तो पार्टी है। तुम, मैं और 2 कप चाय।
Their love for each other very slowly unfolds and gives us a realistic love story between two young teenagers and gives us relatable vibes. The movie is very amazingly written by Ayan Mukherjee and Ranbir Kapoor surely gave one of the greatest performances of his life.
Damn you, Aisha! तुम हमेशा ऐसा क्यों करती हो? मैं कुछ भी करूं तुम्हारे लिए कभी भी सही नहीं होता। हाँ आयशा, मैं बच्चा हूं और बच्चा ही रहूंगा। बहुत थक गया हूं मैं। बार बार तुम्हारे मुंह से बच्चा सुनते सुनते थक गया हूं मैं।
And after all, Kankana Sharma as a common beauty surprisingly delights the film with romantic vibes.
आयशा, हैप्पी बर्थडे आयशा।
Number 6. Devdas. On-screen reflection of an epic story by Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay, Devdas is a gorgeous love story. One of the greatest work from Sanjay Leela Bhansali, the film is considered as one of the greatest Indian romance movies of all time.
ए पारो, एक बात होती थी तब तुम बहुत याद आती थी।
कब?
जब जब मैं सांस लेता था तब।
And it's mostly because of the performance from the leads. The story centers on the life of Devdas, who starts drinking alcohol after she is rejected being married to the woman of his life for their internal family fights.
हम उन्हें मना लेंगे।
अगर वो नहीं माने तो।
Even though Devdas and Paro love each other very much, still their love story doesn't complete just for that reason. For the amazing performance, Shah Rukh Khan was nominated for the Best Actor on Asian Film Awards. Also, the mesmerizing good looks of Aishwarya Rai Bachchan fulfills the film. Number 5. हम दिल दे चुके सनम.
आपका क्या नाम है?
नंदिनी।
तो प्यार से मैं आपको नंदू बुला सकता हूँ? नंदू।
सिर्फ नंदिनी।
Another Sanjay Leela Bhansali peak on our list, Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, is surely one of the greatest movie of the 90s. The stories of Nandini, who has to choose between Samir, the man who taught her to fall in love, and Vanraj, the man from whom she learned how to abide and fulfill promises of love. With amazing visuals and national award-winning cinematography, the movie is amazing to look at.
तुम मेरे बारे में सोच रही हो?
हाँ। नहीं।
झूठ। मैं जानता हूँ कि तुम मेरे बारे में ही सोच रही हो।
मैं क्यों आपके बारे में सोचूं?
फिर किसके बारे में सोच रही हो? हाँ?
मैं अपने बारे में सोच रही थी।
In the film, Samir asks for Nandini's hand in marriage, but her family refuses. They have already chosen a husband for their daughter. When Vanraj realizes his wife is still in love with her first love, he decides to visit Italy to reunite the lovers. Number 4. Jab We Met. One of the most talked about Hindi movies of all time, Jab We Met is remarkably great. The film starts with a wealthy businessman who just comes through his lover's marriage and starts a journey to nowhere. In the journey, he meets a spunky and carefree young woman.
हेलो, आपसे बात कर रही हूँ। अरे, ये सीट मेरी है, 23। कमाल है। ओ बॉस।
The girl is going to her hometown, but the journey doesn't go so simple since she is a troublemaker and the guy surely inspires her to make a lot more problems. Simply, their love story is not something to be incredibly romantic, but that's what actually Jab We Met romantic.
अरे हाँ, चलो 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 चलो।
ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि।
अरे हाँ, सुन ली ऊपर वाले ने, अब चलो।
Shahid Kapoor and Kareena Kapoor star Jab We Met is surely a modern depiction of romance movies and it surely gives a lot of experience to the genre of romance.
क्या हुआ? ओह गॉड, थोड़ी देर रुक नहीं सकते थे?
अंदर चलो। चलो।
अरे क्या 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 कर रहे हो? क्या कर रहे हो?
Number 3. Veer Zara. Veer Zara is a film of eternal love that still is great to watch. Another SRK star film on our list. Veer Zara is the movie that tells the story of Veer, a pilot of Indian Air Force, and Zara, a girl from Pakistan who has come to India to fulfill her surrogate mother's dying wish.
आपको देख के अपने आप को रोक लेती
उस एक नादानी के सहारे तो मैं अपनी पूरी जिंदगी जीने वाला हूं। अगर उसको भी मुझसे छीन लेती तो यहाँ से वापस क्या लेके जाता?
In the film, the characters die and the plot revolves around a lawsuit filed 15 years from the incident.
और मैं जिस शख्स के लिए लड़ रही हूँ वो एक हिंदुस्तानी है। उसका नाम वीर प्रताप सिंह है। वीर की मोहब्बत, वीर की जिंदगी एक पाकिस्तानी लड़की है।
The film mostly speaks about eternal love in a unique but great way. The performance from Rani Mukherjee is simply great and the leads also make the movie even more amazing to watch. After all, Yash Chopra's Veer Zara is a romance film that surely stays in the heart of the audience. Number 2, Mughal-e-Azam.
ये खूबसूरत हाथ, क्या इन्होंने मोहब्बत का दामन छोड़ दिया अनारकली।
The best thing about Mughal-e-Azam is its incredibly great storyline. Set in the 16th century of Mughal period, the movie brings to life the tale of the doomed love affair between the Mughal crown prince Salim and the beautiful ill-fated court dancer, whose fervor and intensity perpetrates a war between the prince and his father, the great Mughal emperor Akbar.
चलो यहाँ से। कहाँ? अकबर आजम की बादशाहत से दूर।
And threatens to bring an empire to its knees. This timeless classic has got a lot of recognition all over the world and widely considered as one of the greatest Bollywood movies of all time. In a way, the movie is actually a revolution to the true genre of romance in the industry of Bollywood. Before you see the number 1, here are some honorable mentions.
बियर पी ली, खाना खा लिया, भाव भी खा लिया, बहुत टाइम वेस्ट कर लिया। अब तो हाई कहने के लिए भी बहुत लेट हो गया है। उससे कुछ मैगजीन मांग लेते हैं।
Excuse me, can I have the magazine?
क्या हुआ?
वापस गंदे गंदे ख्याल आ रहे हैं यार विक्कू।
Number 1, दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे. This is the movie where SRK became a star of Bollywood.
मुझे तुमसे प्यार हो गया है. I love you, सिमरन.
दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे is one of the most beautiful love stories in Bollywood ever made. When Raj meets Simran in Europe, it is not love at first sight, but when Simran moves to India for an arranged marriage, love makes its presence felt. With his charm behavior, the character of Shah Rukh Khan always has the best answer, and on the other hand, the character of Kajal Simran impressed the audience with her beauty and performance.
याद है मैंने कहा था कि मैं आज तक कभी सीरियस नहीं हुआ हूँ. Just look at your face.
That's just too much.
अरे भाई लव शव प्यार व्यार ये मेरे बस की बात नहीं. जानती हो मुझे तो आज तक ये समझ में नहीं आया कि कुछ लोग एक लड़की के साथ पूरी जिंदगी कैसे गुजार लेते.
The movie is amazingly written and shot, got a massive critical and box office success. Dil Wale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge got a lot of recognition in award shows too.
Excuse me. Yeah. I thought so.
And AIOS considered it as the best romance movie of Bollywood. So that's all in this video. What's your favorite Bollywood romance movie of all time?
साला ना कहानियों का दोष है. ब्लडी बॉलीवुड रोमांटिक मसाला. एक लड़का एक लड़की दोनों को प्यार हुआ दोनों साथ साथ फिल्म खत्म. इसके बाद की स्टोरी कोई नहीं बताता.
Comment down below and thanks for watching.
कैसी लड़की चाहिए तुम्हें?
बताओ. एक ऐसी लड़की जिसे देखते ही दिल की हर आरज़ू सारे ख्वाब सारे रंग जिंदा हो जाए.